sometimes that's a bad word when you talk to people at parties and they're like reverse mortgages are bad. Well, we're working on a couple right now. I'll give you one story. This Unfortunately, we have some clients that are in their mid 80s and they're actually getting a divorce. And one of the spouses has to cash out the other one. But the problem is they're both on Social Security. They actually, on paper, they can't afford to purchase. They wouldn't get approved for a traditional loan to make this happen. And that would mean that they'd have to sell the property. One of the spouses would be out on the street because they can't go qualify for something else. They might not even qualify for rent because their social security is so low. So a good option is a reverse mortgage. So we're structuring it as a buyout. We're doing a reverse mortgage refinance, cashing out the other spouse. So that spouse is happy. The spouse that's staying there gets to stay in the property, and it's a win-win. In fact, I'm actually going to help somebody next week with the reverse mortgage because, as you guys know, property taxes have gone up significantly over the last few years because home values have gone up. And a lot of our seniors cannot afford their payment anymore because their taxes have gone up so high and they're on fixed incomes. So what we're doing is a reverse mortgage, pulling out the equity on their property so that they can afford their property insurance and their property taxes, which have both gone up significantly. So, and some of these folks are in their 70s and 80s, and they know over the next 10 to 20 years, they probably just need a little more breathing room for with their finances, and this is an incredible option for them. So, equity is a great tool if you use it correctly.